In the northern parts of Norway, during summer, the sun does not fully disappear, and even at midnight, the sky remains bright, creating a natural phenomenon known as the white night. In these regions, the sun may go slightly below the horizon, but it never goes deep enough to create full darkness, so the sky stays soft and bright, almost like an endless sunset that continues through the night. For visitors, this can feel magical and exciting, but for people who live there, it also brings a real challenge. How do you sleep when night never truly comes? The human body follows a natural cycle, often called the body clock, which is closely connected to light and darkness. When it becomes dark, the brain starts to produce a chemical called melatonin, which helps the body feel sleepy and ready to rest. However, during white nights, the continuous light can interfere with this process, making it more difficult for the body to understand when it is time to sleep. As a result, people may lie in bed feeling tired, but unable to fall asleep, because their brain still feels like it is daytime. Many people who live in northern Norway say that it takes time to adjust to this unusual condition, especially at the beginning of summer. At first, their body may feel confused, because the natural signals of day and night are no longer clear. Some people notice that they feel full of energy late at night, even when it is past midnight, while others feel tired during the day, because their internal clock is out of balance. This can affect mood, focus, and overall health if it continues for a long time. To deal with this situation, people have developed simple but effective ways to protect their sleep. One of the most common solutions is using blackout curtains, which are designed to completely block out the light and create a dark environment inside the room. When the room becomes dark, the brain can still produce melatonin, helping the body relax and fall asleep more naturally. In addition, many people try to follow a strict sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even when the sky is still bright outside. This helps the body slowly get used to a regular pattern, even without natural darkness. Some people also reduce their use of phones and screens before bedtime, because artificial light can further interfere with sleep and make it harder to rest. Interestingly, not everyone experiences white nights in the same way. Some people actually enjoy the long hours of daylight, because it gives them more time to go outside, exercise, meet friends, or simply enjoy nature. In fact, many people feel more active and positive during this period, because the extra light can improve mood and increase motivation. However, even if it feels enjoyable, the body still needs enough rest to stay healthy and function properly. White nights are a powerful example of how closely the human body is connected to the natural environment, and how changes in light can influence sleep, emotions, and daily behavior. They remind us that even small changes in nature can have a strong effect on our body and mind. So what do you think? Could you live in a place where the sun never truly sets, and where night never becomes fully dark? Or would your body struggle to adapt to a world without real night?